for steak, my dear friends? Me too. But unfortunately, we can still go to our favorite restaurants to have it. Though most of the restaurants are now open. But, we're not taking the risk. So, why deprive ourselves of eating our favorite wherein we can do it at home? So, I'm gonna prepare today, guys, an exciting steak recipe that you don't need to go out anymore because we can do this at home. Okay, so join me and let's do it right now. So, these are the ingredients that we're gonna be using, my dear friends. So let's start with our beef steak. We're gonna be using ribeye steak here. This is one of the best steak part, but you can always use other parts of the beef if you wish. We're gonna be using some seasoning here, fresh seasoning, the thyme, oregano, and here are our mushrooms. Usually for this recipe they use like a bella or a button mushroom, but today I just wanted to experiment and I wanted to use this they call it oyster mushroom. Why not, let's see, it might taste good. But for you guys, if you want to use those mushroom that I just mentioned, just use it. And then of course we have butter here. Alright, first let's marinate our beef steak with salt and pepper. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. There you go. Yeah, and then just try to massage it entirely into the steak. There you go. And then we're gonna set this aside for at least 2 hours and let's put it in the fridge. Okay, my dear friends, using a cast iron skillet, we're gonna make our garlic butter mushroom sauce. And we're gonna put our minced garlic in there. So I put, as you can see, I put a lot of garlic here. Is about 2 tablespoons. Alright, that's why we call it butter garlic. So we have to have a lot. And some cook doesn't really do this, like browning the garlic, but it's my preference to brown it. Because garlic, once you cook it good, oh wow, it smells good and the aroma and everything will come out from this thing. Now we can add more butter. There. Alright. Let's just melt it. There, and we can just pour in now our mushroom. As you can see, I really didn't cut my mushroom into smaller slices. I want to be long like this. I'm trying to experiment here. But again, I told you, you can always use mushroom of your choice. Alright, so we're just presenting here. Just do whatever you want, my dear friends, that will satisfy you. We're just gonna wait until our mushroom turns into brown. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright. Now we can add our seasonings. These are the thyme. A teaspoon of thyme and a teaspoon of oregano and some ground pepper and salt, and to give a little kick, this is optional, I'm putting a Pinot Grigio wine, just a little bit. There you go. All right. I love the smell, the aroma. Actually, these two seasonings that I put in there are one of my favorites now. I'm not familiar with them before. Not so familiar with them before. But now, since I started cooking, I'm beginning to love them. You can see in my future recipes, you're gonna see these two seasonings more often. So let's give a nice shake. Alright, and that's it. Let's put it aside. Alright, it's grilling time, my friends. Grilling time. Let me just grease our grill here. There you go. And it's about time for our steak to shine. They're huge. This is 1 pound each. It's like you know, it's like 0.997. This is 0.9 pounds. So rounding off, I said 1 pound. Alright. Alright, let's check, my dear friends. This is about like 6 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes. Wow. Alright, let's turn them over. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, wow. So we're gonna cook this, guys, medium rare. So I'm sorry for those who love well done. We're not doing it this time, my dear friends. Alright. There. Alright, my dear friends. Now, to be more accurate, we're gonna be using a thermometer to check our meat if we meet the standard temperature for medium rare. Medium rare is actually between 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's check. It's only 124 for this one. Let's check the other one. Oh, we exceeded actually on the other one. So this bigger one is done. So we're gonna continue doing this one over here. Alright, let's put it aside. And let's continue cooking on this last one here until we meet the 135 to 140 degrees. Let's check this last one this time. Make sure every time you check your meat, you always go with the thickest part, alright? So you're not faking it or whatever. There you go. We got it. Alright, so they're all good to go. Alright, my dear friends, since we're grilling anyway, let me put more grease in there. Butter. And then I might as well grill my corn too. Alright, I love corn. Filipinos love corns. Even Americans. So let's grill our corn and let's make this as a side dish for our main recipe, alright? So while we're grilling our corn, let's check our steak. Alright, medium rare. There you go. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Just perfect. Okay, guys, let's plate it, my dear friends. There you go. There. And we're gonna put our mushrooms. Our grilled corn on the sides. There you go. There. Alright. And let's put some more seasoned butter on top of our delicious steak. There you go. And let's put some decorations. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. This is it, my dear friends. And I hope you enjoyed this simple and easy recipe that we made for you. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all new subscribers for all your likes and very encouraging comments. Without you guys, we wouldn't be here right now. And with your encouraging comments, we will continue to make exciting and unique recipe for all of you. Thank you and God bless you all.